Move Pro has been designed with the latest TRIOS scanners in mind. In this video, we'll show you how to pair your TRIOS 6 or TRIOS 5 scanner with Move Pro. Turn on the Move Pro and wait for it to boot up. Ensure that Move Pro is connected to the internet so it can access the cloud database, send cases to the laboratory, and receive software updates. Before starting the pairing process, prepare the scanner and a battery and keep them within reach. Click the small scanner icon in the top right corner or go to More and then Settings. Select TRIOS and then Scanner Management. Here you can add or remove scanners and choose between already paired ones. To add a scanner, click Add New Scanner. A pop-up window will appear. Connect to the TRIOS directly via the built-in TP link. Select the scanner model and enter the serial number, which you'll find on the back of the scanner. You can also name your scanner for easier identification later. Slide the battery into the scanner to establish a connection. The LED ring on the TRIOS will rotate with a blue light while pairing. Once the scanner connects to the software, the LED ring will turn solid blue if the protection tip is on, or solid green if the scanning tip is attached. The software will also display additional scanner information, such as battery charging status, in the top right corner of the screen. Once pairing is complete, the scanner will appear in the list of available scanners under Scanner Management and can be easily selected when needed. The TRIOS is now successfully connected to the Move Pro and ready to be used.